welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing 5 more looks with the Bland Bunny's Dollhouse Palette. If you're interested in seeing 5 more looks, showcasing more of the shades, then let's get into it. Hey guys, okay, so I'm very happy to be doing this. I recently tried this Dollhouse palette in a trying new hyped makeup, and a lot of you guys said that you would like to see 5 more looks, and so that's what I did in today's video. I didn't really speak through the looks, I just took it step by step by step for you to see the steps that I took for each look. I put some music over it. It's more than anything some look inspo as well as showcasing the shades for you. If you'd like to see any comparison swatches over on Instagram of the 3 palettes, I can definitely do that for you, so just let me know. During the video, if you like what you see, give me a like, consider subscribing. We're into a lot of eyeshadow, foundation here, but just makeup in general. If you're into an uplifting community that likes to talk about makeup, then I think this is the place for you. So make sure and subscribe and go follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of looks there with the palettes that I'm currently using. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the looks and get into the music, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, then no one coming through the door is your silhouette, your silhouette. Oh, I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland, but I miss your hands and it's making me crazy. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, and no one coming through the door is your silhouette, your silhouette. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. You show me how to live love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking
You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
of. Show me how to dare to love.
Okay, you guys, and there you have it. 5 more looks using the Dollhouse palette. You guys, what can I say? I mean, we already know the Surge palette, which was Blend Bunny's second palette, won as Best of 2021 Beauty for me. The shimmers are out of control. If these shimmers here on the last look don't prove that, I don't know what does. Their mattes blend like a dream. I love, love, love this look. I wanted to hit the greens because I hadn't really done that too much with this palette. And I will say, no shade to any other brand, but like with the Nomad palette, that's what I wanted. I wanted a little bit more punch to the dark green that I saw on the palette, and that's what I got here. I mean, this green here, as well as this one here, they have such a punch of color, and it's exactly what I needed to deepen out the outer V here. The shimmers are out of control. I just love, love, love everything about this. I love that at first glance, maybe it's the packaging and everything else that you get with it. Like, it looks like it's going to be a neutral palette, you know, especially if you focus on like the middle of the palette there, but it's so much more than that. You can do so much with this palette. I am so excited to have it, and I'm happy that I was able to do 5 more looks for you. So if you enjoyed, make sure and leave me any questions you have. Do you want to see comparison swatches between all 3 palettes? Tell me what you need, and I'll be happy to work on that for you. Follow me on Instagram because I do post additional looks with the palettes that I use there. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys later. Bye.